We will have a look into MEP-3355 once more. What is MEP-3355? It's an LLM-friendly transaction memo format, and it's specifically used for transaction memos on Moonchain, which should be used in an LLM. To give an insight of it with the use of an LLM, I will show you an example for this today. Why is it important to use it? So when you imagine you have a large chunk of data and you want to send this on blockchain or want to save it on the blockchain, then of course you have a pretty high gas costs which you have to pay for. Because of this, we thought about how we can solve this problem and provide a better solution for it. We came up with the MEP-3355 proposal as a compression format which uses the Broadly algorithm for compressed data. This repository also is referred in the description inside of our videos. Here we can see how the data is provided when we use MEP-3355. It's provided in JSON object, and for sure you have some operation fields which explain how the data is used.